Welcome to Forward Steps blogs. This section contains questions and answers from the Kerala Service Rules of the Department test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. We hope you find it useful. Best of luck. The minimum service required for superannuation pension. Answer B. 10 years. If pension has not been drawn for -years, the pension ceases to be payable. Answer B. 3 years. Leave admissible for miscarriage to female employees is. Answer D. None of these. An officer working in Kollam is deputed for audit at Kannur for 16 days. How will you calculate the DA for this officer? Answer A. Full DA for first 10 days and 3/4 for remaining days. Child adoption leave is granted for. Answer C. 180 days. In case of foreign service, pension contribution will be calculated as. Answer C. 15% of the maximum of the scale of pay. Deputation allowance is paid at the rate of. Answer D. No deputation allowance. Male employee undergone vasectomy for the first time is eligible for a special casual leave of. Answer B. 6 days. Commutation of pension is the advance payment of a portion of monthly pension for. Answer A. 12 years. Maximum earned leave that can be credited into the leave account is. Answer D. 300 days. An LDC had joined Irrigation Department on 1st July 2007. During the year 2022, he had applied for second TBHG. The superior officer rejected his request on the ground that he had not attained the required departmental test qualification. Comment on this. Answer A. The superior is wrong. In the first year of service, earned leave is calculated at the rate of. Answer B. 1/22. LWA under Appendix 12A is granted for a maximum period of. Answer C. 5 years. Which among the following leave can be suffixed or prefixed with holidays? Answer D. None of these. For the calculation of TA, Grade 1 officer means all officers draw an actual basic pay of. Answer A. 70,000 and above. A UDC is transferred from the Taluk office to a village office situated 5 kilometers away. He was relieved on a Monday AN. When should he join? Answer C. Wednesday FN. The maximum joining time that can be availed if the transfer is outside the state. Answer D. 30 days. In case of sanctioning anticipatory pension, the maximum DCRG admissible is. Answer D. 75%. The maximum earned leave that can be availed in a stretch. Answer C. 15 days. Which among the following fixation is not applicable in the case of promotion or appointment to a higher post? Answer C. Rule 30. The retirement age is fixed at 60 for those who enter into service on or after. Answer D. None of these. The retirement age of last grade employees who entered into service on or before 7th April 1970. Answer D. None of these. Which among the following service do not count for pension? Answer A. Boy service. Revised rate of daily allowance for a grade to be officer is? Answer B. 500. The maximum incidental expense payable for a journey is limited to? Answer C. 1 DA.